Where are you going?
I don't know. Cái này mát nè ba.
Lạnh. Mát. Đây. Hey, let's go.
Let's go là.
Thế là con.
Bận áo lạnh vô, hai đứa bận áo lạnh vô liền.
Đây.
Có chân xe kìa.
To get the light. Hôm qua mua hai đồng tiền biết hả?
Dạ. Wait up. Con đi con phải chờ ba mẹ biết không?
Dạ. Ok.
Where are you going?
Chứ quán phone.
Yeah.
Tại sân buồn này.
Của tên.
Hả?
Của tên.
Rồi. Are you tired?
No.
You wanna go home?
Không.
Chưa có đi mà có hôm gì. Wow.
Why are you bored?
So you have to stay in the long line and you can go anywhere.
No, you gotta wait till like everybody's waiting.
Yeah. No. She said like we had about 15 minutes.
To the left is Whitehaven. He is for a National Historic Site. This is his grandfather-in-law. This is his grand famous Civil War.
Nice and nice.
In 1843, Grant was stationed in St. Louis at Jefferson Barracks. While there, he would often visit his old
Cái này chỗ park hả? Đó, cho bên view. Did they say that? Tại sao có ác kia vậy?
Oh, you go.
There's a couple fallow deer over here on the right. There's a big lake over here on our right. And watch plant mammals in the continent.
Túi.
Đâu túi bằng túi.
Penguin đúng rồi. Nè. Coi cho mình là chụp con nè. Oh.
I got you.
Con nè.
Not gonna touch you.
Mấy con bốc luôn.
Don't have 4 quarters up here, do you? Change for $1.
Chết rồi, đập dơ rồi.
You don't have quarters?
Rồi xong luôn.
Sao đâu.
Yeah, that one's
Ngã rồi.
I don't know. Are you feeding anything yet?
Come on, pick which one you want.
It's very still. Em đỡ con đi. Nó giật cái bình luôn.
Có luôn.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Sữa nè. Hey, I got milk for you guys. Got milk. Yeah, finally we got one that's drinking the milk. Nó uống nè, nó dành uống quá trời nè. Nè, hai con Tyson uống nè.
Hai có tay sạch uống quá trời hả?
Nè, nhả qua cho bú nè, cho em đút được không?
Nghiêng cái bình nó mới đem nữa.
Ừ. Raise it up, raise it up.
Come here, Dre. Uống lại còn nút kìa.
Một bình thôi Tyson để cho em đút đi.
Trời ơi, hai con dữ vậy.
Con dữ.
Đây nè, để ba cho nó đút cái này nè.
Nè Nhã ngồi đây cho nó uống nè. Con phải nghiêng cái bình, con nghiêng cái bình. Đúng rồi đó.
Nghiêng lên.
Đúng rồi.
Đó vậy đó.
Nó mới uống được.
Rồi nó cắn áo em. Đó, nó nè, chơi bú nè. Đó, con này dành nè em.
I see.
Muốn cầm không? Đấy, thích bà.
Go be like,
Do it now.
So unfortunately, Moshi is not ready. Yay, good job. Feel free to clap when you hear a click or you see Moshi do a correct behavior. Unfortunately, Moshi is not quite ready to be in our shows yet. He is, yay, good job, Moshi.
Good morning, you guys. How you guys all doing? Are you guys ready for a show? I didn't hear you. All right, that's what I like to hear. My name is Shelby, and I would like to welcome you all to the Animal Encounter Show. Grants Farm has been a staple of the St. Louis community for over 60 years and is home to animals from all over the world. So we thought that today we would take you guys on a trip around the world. How does that sound? Now, unfortunately, we can't take you on an actual trip. Our budget's not that big. But instead, we thought we would bring an animal from each continent up close for you guys to meet. So without further ado, let's get started. This first animal is going to be one that you guys can find in your own backyard. I'd like to introduce you all to Stevie from the World Bird Sanctuary, and she's going to be bringing out Reese, their great horned owl. Great horned owls are one of the most common owls in North and South America. They are excellent predators that can capture prey much larger than themselves, and are even one of the only known predators of skunks. There's paws just like Lou. They're scattered throughout the tour garden now that it's warm enough, so we invite you to go check them out after the show. Now lots of people protection so that we don't have any hearing loss. He has a very large, very strong beak. He uses that beak in the wild to crack open nuts for food. Along with that.
Hi. Làm gì? What you do, Sonny?
Nothing.
Oh, you just have to get her. You just have to buy one.
Đứng phải đó. Bên kia.
Yeah, you go down to the left.
past the donkey,
Uh-huh.
past the giraffes and ponies, into the South Arch and around the fountain.
Got it, got
Kind
it.
of down.
Ok. Đi đường nào cũng được.
Có chó kỳ luôn. Rồi tới có chó kỳ khác luôn. You're so cold.
No. Cái gì vậy con?
Feed the parakeets.
À, đang quay nè.
You want me to use my hands or get that thing?
Pay for it.
Ừ. Nó điên vòng phải không? Hay vòng.
Now, do they write together, we just like pay for each person and they can write together?
Guys, it's up to 3 people. We're gonna go to the park. Yeah.
Take that, huh? You want one?
One per kid.
Can you go tell them what you go right now, One.
Xuống.
Here, come back here.
Sao, cảm giác sao?
How do you know?
Dan, go home.
Ready not I came on. Yeah, we're going together. Không phải đi qua.
Đi lấy hình nè.
Đi qua bên đây lấy luôn.
I tried to take him before he won't let you take it. Nó bụng sình.
Okay, good afternoon. Your driver, I think.